Back to the charts with Big Boss Crypto, bringing on a day trading analysis on Bitcoin and on Chainlink. Bitcoin hasn't been moving much, it's been going sideways for the last couple of days. That could mean that we are in for a volatile move to the upside or maybe to the downside. Well, let's look at the charts. As you can see, sideways price action for the last couple of days. We have done a market maker move to the upside, which is the structure that looks like this. W bottom, first leg up, first retrace, second leg up, second retrace, third and final leg up, double top formation, first retrace, second, third, and then we continue with the double bottom formation. And the pattern repeats all over again. Currently, we could have performed our third and final leg to the upside. We could have some more room to the upside to grab. We have a big volume candle here at 34k, which I think we could spike up to and could form a double top formation. We need to hold this low right here at 29.4k. If we close a daily candle below that, I do think we will move to the downside and recover this volume candle down to 26.8k. But I do think we could have a double top formation already right here in the next couple of days before the FOMC meeting, which takes place next week. We could have a double top formation formed by that time, and we could move to the downside in 3 steps like I showed you in the market maker structure. So I'm waiting for confirmation on that. If we close a daily candle or a 1 hour candle above this high at 31.8k, I do think 34k is the next target to the upside if we continue to the upside. So be very mindful of these volume candles to the downside. First leg to the downside could be down to 27k. Next one after that is at 25.5k. And before we look at the volume candles below, I do think we need to have a clarification of when we form these reversals. And as I said, 29.4k or 5k approximately is the low that needs to break in order for us to justify a move to the downside. And I usually don't trade on speculation, I trade on confirmation, and 1 hour can close below this point right here could be that if you are day trading. Looking at the news events, we don't have anything going on this week anymore, so today's a free market day. They could do whatever they want. Next week, however, is a big week. FOMC statement, federal funds rate, and press conference on Wednesday, July 26th. They are expecting a rate hike of 25 basis points. We'll see if that happens or not. My speculation is that it won't happen because we saw the unemployment claims coming in lower than expected, and the market is slowing down the economy, so to say, or the inflation rates. So be very mindful of that. If you aren't in any trades and are careful, wait for Wednesday and place your trades on possibly Thursday or Friday next week. Looking at the liquidation map, we can see a lot of money stacked to the upside. A lot of people going short thinking that the reversal is in. I do think we could spike up to at least 30.6k in the next impulsive move to the upside, which would give us, if we get rejected here at 31k, that would give us a double top formation if we break 29.5k again. But you do what I want to do. None of this is financial advice. This is just for educational and entertainment purpose only. Now let's take a look at Chainlink. Chainlink pumped nicely to the upside from $6.9 up to $8.443. Very interesting. And I don't know if any of you guys remembered, I told you around $6 is a good place to go long on Chainlink, and $8.5 is your target. That is where you could go short. Why have I said that? Well, if we zoom out a bit and look on a daily time frame, for over a year we've been in this range from $6 up to $8.5. We have spiked a couple times above it, sometimes below it, but as you can see, we've been holding this range for a while, and you could have profited quite a bit by going long at $6 and selling off around $8.5. Doing that for over a year, you could have made some decent gains. So here we are now at $8.5. Are you willing to go short or long? Well, it's definitely up to you, because this is not financial advice. It's just for educational and entertainment purposes only. What happened? Well, we know that CCIP was launched on July 20th, and we had a big nice move to the upside. We're currently stalling here around the $8 area. Possibly we could have another spike to the upside if Bitcoin decides to pump up to that 31k mark, and that is where you could see an $8.5 link, or possibly even up to $8.9, where we have the next uncovered volume candle. Could have spike up there. Perfect time to go short, because we have a lot of volume candles to the downside. As you can see, this pump generated volume candles, and the target is then at $6 possibly, because we've been staying in this range for a while now. And in order for us to forget about this range is if we break the $10 range, go to $10, sorry, and hold above it, or break below $5. Then this range is invalidated, I would say. So interesting days for Chainlink, great project, and I do think it's a good long-term investment, however not financial advice. That's it for today. I hope you learned something. Big Boss out.